You've definitely heard about open source models in AI, but what actually are they, and why are so many companies using them? Put simply, open source models in AI are LLMs such as ChatGPT or Cloud Gemini, except they're a little bit weaker and you can download them on your computer to run them locally and you don't need access to the internet to run them. Let's talk about the advantages. Information security. That basically means because the model is downloaded locally, you don't have to worry about any data or information being leaked from your company. Then we have full control over data and privacy. Companies can self-host. That means they can keep data in-house and make sure sensitive information never leaves their servers. Then we have customization and domain-specific tuning. Companies can fine-tune their models on their own dataset to match their industry in the best way. Then we have every company's favorite advantage, cost efficiency over time. For those of you who don't know, every time you send a message on closed source models such as ChatGPT, it actually costs money, except the company handles that for us because they're making so much more profit, they can sacrifice a little bit. But with closed source models, it doesn't cost anything to send a message, so you can send infinite messages. Or call on the model infinite amount of times and it won't cost anything. Then we have greater infrastructure flexibility. What this means is, since you're running the model locally, it requires you to have your own code to make that model actually work and be useful. Although it makes it a little bit harder to utilize the LLM, you have much more freedom and flexibility with how and what you want to do with the LLM by using your own code through Python. And finally, we have transparency, auditability, and compliance. With open source models, you have the ability to inspect code, audit model behavior, and comply with regulations, such as data sovereignty and industry standards. This can be critical for industries with sensitive information, such as the healthcare or finance-related companies. That's it for all the advantages I have. Be sure to comment below if I missed any, and stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to be talking about the disadvantages.